Hello, and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at the Artika Glacier wall mount LED light fixture. This one has 650 lumens, so it's pretty bright, and the color is 3000, and it only uses 9 watts, 9.3. It has the measurements here, so let's take a look at it even further. The delivery was done just like this. Here are some pictures of how it looks like at the end. First of all, we have some instructions. And we have it in 3 different languages: English, Spanish, and French. The tools necessary to do the job and what's included: some hardware, including a hex key. And here is the light itself. There are no light bulbs to change because the LEDs are in here. Here is the hardware. Not a lot of things you need. Just a couple of screws that holds it up, and the wire ties so you can put the wires together. And I thought it was enclosed, but it's not. There's a space in between, so that looks pretty cool. I like that. The LEDs, you can see them. There's some in here, some at the bottom, and there's some here that light up this space. So you have all the cables that you need back here, the power, ground, neutral, so they're all in here. And this is what you need to put them on there. After you install it, then you can seal around it. Looks awesome. It looks very simple, but it looks modern. And the hex keys for these 2 screws, because this goes onto the wall, and then the 2 screws go on the sides to hold the whole light onto place. It's nice and heavy. I like the matte black finish. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's installed. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video helps you in any way, and enjoy.